Can you believe I made my client an extra $170,000 with just a $10,000 investment? I'm Holly McKhann, a local realtor here in Orange County, and I'm excited to bring to you my 4 key components to maximizing the sale price of any listing. So the first things that I recommend doing are painting your walls white. And secondly, I recommend trying to get the same flooring throughout, or if not, at least get it to look like wood. The natural wood color, light brown, that is what's popular and in style. The third component that's important is the light fixtures. They're so quick and easy to change, and they give a huge return on investment. They can change the whole look and feel, especially of a dining room where you have a hanging chandelier. It's so relatively easy. Hire an electrician, don't be climbing on tall ladders yourself. Just to change a light fixture that might cost as little as $59 on Amazon, yet it can give the whole room such a different feeling. And the last thing I recommend is professional staging. High-end furniture can make a low-end home feel high-end. It is so critical and important to maximize your sale price. And the story of my friend, yes, she's a personal friend of whose home we just listed. We invested in the staging and changing a couple of her bathroom floors and 1 bedroom floor, and a couple of rooms we painted white. $10,000 investment, and we went $170,000 over asking. She was ecstatic, she was overjoyed, and I was too. So that's my tips. Once again, Holly McKhann, a local realtor. Make sure you contact me today if you'd like me to put me and my team to work for you.